Welcome back. Hello, everybody. Now, let's take a look at this Bitcoin price action that we're seeing here. Because, yes, we have been in a solid uptrend, as you can see from here. Let's take a look. Let me just adjust this. We're on the weekly chart here for Bitcoin, and we have been in a solid uptrend. Okay, but one thing I'm thinking about, and I want you to keep in mind, is that I do expect a pullback at some point, because we can't just keep going up and up and up forever without some sort of pullback. Okay, and on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame here, we see price, okay, making a high, okay, and then we have the momentum making lower waves, okay, and we start to see the money flow. It's starting to dip a little bit, okay, which is a little bit bearish, okay. Since we broke out of here, we have not come back down to these white lines, which is around 31,000 to 30,000, which is what we call a naked daily point of control. Okay, the market always likes to have balance, okay, and it usually likes to, especially after a breakout like this, we like to retest some of the areas that was previously resistance. Okay, on the monthly, okay, I know the chart is just a little bit messy. I should clean it up, probably clean it up in another video. Okay, let's erase this. Let's erase that. Okay, this candle for October, okay, see this little blue triangle? That signifies a possible reversal is coming. And most of the time, majority of the time, these triangles play out, okay, and I always tend to watch for these. So a possible reversal might not be this month, could be next month. Okay, it really depends. Okay, on the monthly, okay, check this out. We're making lower highs on the momentum. Make that a different color, red. Okay, we're creating lower highs. The buying momentum is decreasing. Okay, now we know that BlackRock and other big companies have filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Now the thing is that these guys have a lot of capital to put into the market, and my worry is that if it does get approved quickly, say by January, we could see Bitcoin probably make new highs. Okay, and let's go to the monthly here. We could probably see Bitcoin make new highs. I don't know, something. See, January, new highs, before the halving. Okay. Now, if we make new highs before the halving, I'm wondering, will that affect the market? Okay, because in the past, Bitcoin always made a high after the halving, new highs after the halving. Okay, and these guys have a lot of money to play with, and it could potentially throw the markets off. What I would like to see personally is somehow, some way, a spot Bitcoin ETF gets temporarily denied. Okay, and that would cool the markets off a little bit. Great buying opportunity for you and I. Okay, and then after the halving, sometime it gets approved, then we can go parabolic. We can make new highs we can make new highs in the market. Okay, we can go something like that. That's what I'm hoping, because these guys, they have a history of manipulating other markets. So who's to say that they don't get the spot Bitcoin ETF approved, make new all-time highs? And believe you me, when we make highs, they're going to be taking profits. Okay, and it could potentially just dump the market. Okay, after the halving, we could make another run up, but it might not be a higher high. Okay, this is just theory. I'm not saying this is going to occur, but we also have to plan for both scenarios and have a strategy. Definitely if we start to make new highs, and this is not financial advice, generally you're going to want to take profit into those pumps. You don't want to be waiting until the market dumps and then you're left holding the bag. You become that exit liquidity. Okay, so anyways, that's just my thoughts. If you're new to crypto and you want to learn the basics, visit TechMalak.com. Okay, and we have a curated list of cryptos that you could do your researches on. We also offer beginner-friendly courses. So if you're new, give it a shot, give it a try. Hope to see you there.